Hi guys, my name is Sir Venia Khalifa or Sir Opoko, the funny mouse teacher. As my students call me, welcome to Solving Mathematics with E.
Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Now from the previous class we talked about writing large numbers in words. Today we are going to be talking on writing large numbers in figure. I know some of us are actually finding it difficult because from the little experience I had with cases, some of them can easily write in words. When it comes to writing in figure, it becomes very challenging. Now, I told you that everything still boils down to what? This chart on the board. It makes it very easy for you to write. So now let's go down to the board so that we can make mathematics easy. Now we have 253. 253. Where do you start from? I always start from what? The right. So we have 253. 2 is under where? 100. You have 53 and we're good to go. You see, that's easy as possible. That's what I'm telling you. Now let's check number 2. Number 2 have 732,000. Now you don't need to come and stress yourself, provided that you have seen 1,000. It means it's falling in this second quadrant or this second phase. Now you have 732. 732. You have under 100, you have this, you have 32. 732,502. 502. You have 5, which is 5 under what? 100. And 2. We have only 2. So you have and 2. You see, we are good to go. Now you see that writing these numbers in figure is easier. Now let's check the number 3. We have 72 million. You look for million. Where is million? Look at million. 72. We have 7 and 2. 72 million 302,000. You look for thousand, look at it. 300. 3 is under 100. 302. You have 0 and 2. 302,525. 525. So now let's go to number 4. Number 4 is telling us that 2 trillion, you look for trillion. Where is trillion? Trillion is the last. 2 trillion, you look for the unit down, you write 2, that's 2 trillion. 538 billion. So let's look at 500, 5 under 100, and 38. 38. Before we now have billion under billion. Now 476 million. So we have 4 under here. 476. 76 million. Then 643. They have 643. Then it means that they have what? Omitted 1,000. So we just come here and write 643. Since there's no 1,000 mentioned, it means you're going to what? Add 0, 0, 0. So you see, it is easier than expected. Now let's talk about another example. We have 26,125,378. Now let's start. We have 26 million. Under million, let's look for million. Look at million here. You have 26. So you have 26 million 125,378. 5. Let's 100. You have 125 under 1,000. Then 378. We have 378. So you see, writing place value in figure becomes very easy. So we are going to be talking about also related question under place value, because from the comment section a student asked me, sir, what in my class they gave me something like this, something like this. I said, don't worry, we're going to actually touch it in brief because it's all simple. So we are going to be talking on related questions under place value. Do you understand? Now, from the question the student asked, he said, sir, how do I solve something like this? Find the sum of the place value of 9 in this and this. That is what I'm trying to say. I told you place value, we are going to be touching it subsequently in other videos, because place value is related to some other things apart from just tens and units. This is place value related to addition. Now you see, they say, find the sum of the place value of 9 in this. Now if you should check what is on the board, discover that the place value of 9 here is what? 9,000. Now solution. We have 109645. You have units, you have tens, you have 100, and you have 1,000. This for this. You have tens of thousand, you have hundreds of thousand. So this is for the first number. Then the second number we have 721191. We have units, we have tens, we have 100, we have thousand, we have tens of thousand, we have hundreds of thousand. Now, what is the place value of 9 in this first number? It is 9,000. They now said find the sum. Sum is what? Addition. So you have plus. What is the place value of 9 in this? Tens, which is what? 90. So you add them up together, you have 0, 9, 0, and 9. And that's the answer. So, thank you for your question. I will actually expect more questions from other students. Thank you, and continue watching to be very, very perfect in mathematics.
Thanks for watching. Always remember, it's either you learn or you learn, because there is no impossibility in our dictionary with mathematics. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.